You know, back in the day, the elders used to say, a woman's hair is her crown and glory. But what happens when that crown is tilted, damaged, and that glory seemingly diminished? You're left laden with questions, searching for answers. Today, YouTube, tomorrow, a blog, anything to find some relief. Even with all the information available to you, somehow these platforms still leave you frustrated and confused. You know, it's sad to say, but I think the only time we take interest in one's well-being is when imminent danger is at play. For many years, we've focused our attention on the styling of hair rather than its care. And as a result, I believe we've birthed a generation of great hairstylists that have no working knowledge of the core fundamentals. I believe it's our time to refocus our attention and make hair care the priority. Contrary to popular belief, though, hair care is not the professional's responsibility as much as it is your own. Hi, my name is Cornell, and I am a 25-year hair care professional. I've been helping countless women across various platforms, from business, executives, television, radio, political, community leaders. I'm telling you, I've helped them all maintain their crown and keep their glory intact. During my 25 years, I've found that it is necessary, in my opinion, for clients to be just as informed as the professional, just as knowledgeable as the professional. Because guess what? You spend more time with your hair than I do. You know, I remember a time I was working with a particular talent, and you may know her. She was a leading lady on a dramatic series that was presented on Oprah Winfrey's network. And during my time with her, I had met her before, but this was my first time caring for her as a client. And during that time, I shared with her, and she shared with me about some of the things that helped her, that she learned about her hair along the way. And she suggested that I use some particular products that she felt worked best because of A, B, and C. From that point on, we went on and dialogued and shared and talked and discussed other hot topics. And before she knew it, I was done, and she was a happy client. But what if she had not taken the time to understand her hair, taken the time to learn the core fundamentals? That same experience could have been a traumatic one. But instead, it became the framework for a great working relationship. The core fundamentals will help you improve your hair, assist you in hair loss and hair loss prevention, and, as in my experience with Hollywood royalty Miss Lynn Whitfield, help you become a better client for your local professional. Transitions happen all the time in life. Relocating, growing your family, maybe even loss of a job, finances, a loved one. In those transition seasons, it becomes sometimes a challenge, physically and financially, to maintain regular salon visits. But what if I told you you could have the proper tools, the education, the information to maintain the confidence the core fundamentals give you and manage your hair in times of transition? Would you like that? The core fundamentals will teach you how to navigate your hair care journey, maintaining healthy, growing hair along the way. Ultimately, placing the power of the professional, my 25 years of experience, into your very own hands. In my next video, I'll show you how to start implementing the core fundamentals, and I'll walk you through a simple strategy, really simple strategy that you can implement today to get results fast. So make sure you stay on the lookout. You don't want to miss the following video. Listen, I have so much to give. It's been 25 years, and I want to give it all to you. Now, as much as I'd have to give and as much as I want to give it to everyone, I can only give it to so many people, because I've learned that in this type of setting, you can only really help people effectively in a small group setting. So I'm only allowing so many people into what is now become my new course called Know and Grow Your Hair, which will be launching very, very soon. I can only accept so many people because I want to be able to help everyone and be very hands-on. So with that in mind, I want you to be a part of that experience. Listen, I'm excited to share in your hair care journey. Understanding the core fundamentals will be the best hair care decision you've ever made. That being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Message me, get at me wherever you can. I'm happy to help out. And as I mentioned already, stay tuned for the next video in this free, you can't get no better than that. In this free 6-part series, I'll be showing you exactly how to start implementing the core fundamentals and achieve healthy growing hair. I'll see you there.